What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, where you'll always find high quality visuals and high quality tech. And today we're going to take a look at the HyperX Quadcast S in the new white colorway that was just released. Now, this microphone is not only the #1 rated USB microphone on Amazon and other places, admittedly, but honestly, it might be the best sounding USB microphone that your money can buy at the time of recording this video. Best part, I'm actually going to be giving this one you see right here away to one of you guys out there in the Visuals fam. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video to hear the details of the giveaway. Anyway, let's hear a quick word from our sponsor and we'll get right into the microphone.
VIP URCD Key has you covered with fully licensed codes to activate your favorite games and software. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item that you want, click buy to add it to your cart. Once in your cart, you can now enter my promo code RAV20. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go over to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and paste your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with no watermark. Check the links in the description to start saving now.
The HyperX Quadcast S is a very highly rated USB microphone that has wide compatibility with devices such as PC, PS5, PS4, or Mac. The unboxing is very simple and includes some manuals, a very long braided USB-A to USB-C cable, an adapter to mount the mic to a boom arm, and of course, the microphone itself.
The Quadcast S looks to be made very well with a combination of metal and plastic components, but feels like a very solid product in your hands. The stand that comes in the box is made of metal, very sturdy, and allows you to adjust the mic up or down, so it will work just fine if you don't have an arm to mount it to. And don't worry, I'll show you how to mount it to a boom arm in just a minute. So this microphone right here is usually priced at $160, but at the time of recording this video, it's actually on sale for only $120 on Amazon in the black version, and on HyperX's website, they have it on sale for the white version for $120. I don't know why they did that, but that's what's going on right now. Mounting the Quadcast to a boom arm is very simple. You just need to unscrew it from the stock stand and make sure you look out for a couple of small washers that might fly off and a nut that comes off when you take the mic off of its stand. You then place those washers in the little slots on the adapter piece that comes with the mic, and then insert the screw and the nut through the adapter piece and tighten it down. From there, you simply take your chosen boom arm. I'm using the Tonor T20 boom arm that you guys all know and love on this channel. And as you can see, it's a simple plug and play situation. You can just screw it right on and it's good to go. This thing will be linked below if you guys are looking for a boom arm that works perfectly with this microphone. The T20 and the T30 from Tonor, they work wonderfully. The setup of this mic is as simple as plugging in the USB-C into the bottom of the mic and then plugging it into your computer. That's really it, guys. From there, you can then download their Ingenuity software to control the RGB lighting on the mic and various other levels that they have on there. A couple notable features of the Quadcast S is the headphone monitoring port that you can plug your headset into and actually monitor your levels. A lot of people like to use this. There's also a smooth volume wheel that's very nice, so you can change your volume on the fly. There's a polar pattern dial on the back of the mic that lets you instantly change the pickup pattern of the mic. And then there's also a touch mute button on top of the mic, which will turn the mic off and is indicated by the RGB lighting turning on and turning off when the button is pressed. All right, so that's pretty much it for the build and outside stuff of the microphone. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this microphone actually sounds. So for my testing, I tested this on stream live with you guys. And just so you guys know, all of these were also manually recorded in the background of the stream. So I didn't pull this audio or anything like from a stream recording on Twitch. So everything should sound exactly as it should going right through the mic. So there should be no problems with it. So let's go ahead and start with the sound floor of the mic and see what kind of background noise suppression the microphone has.
So we're gonna go ahead and start with the cardioid pickup pattern because that's what the mic's set to right now. So here we go. Okay, now we are set to the bi-directional polar pattern, so here is what that sounds like. Okay, we are now set to the omnidirectional polar pattern, so here's what its sound floor sounds like. Okay, this is the test of the stereo polar patterns noise floor. So it'll sound a little bit weird in your ears if you're wearing headphones, but here's what it sounds like picking up ambient noise.
Now let's test all 4 of the polar patterns so you can hear the difference between each one.
I'm going to be just about, 6 inches or so from the mic like you're supposed to be. With this microphone, you actually can get a little bit closer and talk a little bit quieter because of the, the way it sounds. But I'm going to try to stay like right here to keep it, uniform throughout the test. And then I'm going to say a couple random phrases that I found on Google to give you guys an idea what it sounds like. So we're on the cardioid polar pattern. So here is the test right here. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned and bent on the bent hook. I can't even read. Okay, guys, so this is the bidirectional polar pattern on the mic here. So you should be able to hear me from the front here, and then you can also hear me around the back here. So this is ideal for 2 people speaking into the mic at once. So if you have like a podcast where you only have one mic, you can have yourself speaking into the front of the mic. You can have somebody else, your guest or whatever you want to do on the other side, and you should be able to hear both of you just fine. So let me go ahead and do the test right here. So you can, I'm gonna move around the mic so you guys can get an idea for what I'm talking about. So testing. Okay, so this is the test of the omnidirectional polar pattern. So this basically picks up everything around the mic. So I'll again move around the mic so you guys can get an idea of that. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. You'll notice, unlike the last time, it doesn't cut off on the sides of the mic here. It picks it up as you move around. So this is like if you want to use this mic to record an entire room of people speaking, or there's 1,000 different situations you could be in, but you can basically move around the whole mic and it should pick up your voice just the same no matter where you are. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the stereo polar pattern, and I don't know, but I think people use this for ASMR because this is when I can actually move from ear to ear for you guys listening. I can go over here and I'm in your right ear, and then I can go over here and I'm in your left ear. But it'll also pick me up, I believe, back here. So I can go around the back and it should still pick me up over here. And as I move around the mic, it'll pick me up all around it. This is your gaming ASMR moment.
Next, I want to test the built-in pop filter and see if it can suppress plosives that will be introduced when speaking into the mic.
Boom, 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 pow, pow.
Now let's test the noise suppression of random noises that may be introduced into the microphone.
Okay, so that was a clicky keyboard. So I have another mechanical keyboard right here with linear switches. So we're gonna try that really quick. Here's a mouse real quick. Let's try that too. There you go. There's just a mouse test. Let's go ahead and do a keyboard really quick too. There's a mechanical keyboard with linear switches.
Alright, the last thing I want to do is quickly let you see some filters that I typically use with USB mics and OBS that, you know what, just like kind of beef them up and make USB mics sound a little bit better. So check these out.
No cutting, nothing. I'm just gonna do it real quick, and then I'm gonna see if you guys can notice a difference. So real quick, let me go to my filters, and I'm gonna turn them all on. Okay, so now all of the filters are on. I'm gonna go ahead and talk. I'm gonna go ahead and say my little test phrases again and see if you guys, this whole time, let me know if you guys notice a difference. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. The small pup gnawed a hole in the sock. The fish twisted and turned on the bent hook. Press the pants and sew a button on the vest. The swan dive was far short of perfect. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. There you go.
Okay, so through all this, hopefully you've noticed that the Quadcast S isn't playing around, and it's no wonder that it's so highly rated and a top seller on Amazon and some other online merchants. Of course, if you're looking to grab one or even the boom arm I've used in the video today, they will be listed down in the description with my affiliate links so you guys can pick them up, and I'd really appreciate it if you did. But what if you want a chance to get one for free? This is the part you all been waiting for. Well, that's where my giveaway comes in. I will be giving away this new white version of the Quadcast S that we use in the video today to one of you out there. And just so you guys know, this will be a US only giveaway, unfortunately, because shipping to other countries lately has been extremely difficult since COVID happened. But anyway, the giveaway link will be in the description and we'll tell you all the details of how to enter. But the main thing I ask from all of you for this one is that you just be subscribed to my channel. That's it, you guys. And if you guys are already subscribed to my channel, then go down in the comment section of this video and leave me a good comment. Doesn't matter what it is. I don't care. You can just say hello if you want. I just want you guys to subscribe to the channel and I want some more interaction from you. But of course, there are some more other ways that you can enter and get more entries into the giveaway, but those are all listed down below, and I'd really appreciate it. And I gotta say, good luck to all you guys. It's gonna be a good giveaway. I haven't done one in quite a while, so I'm glad I'm gonna be able to do this for you guys. But anyway, I'll be announcing the winner next week. So again, good luck to all you guys, and I will see you in the next video.